morning, everyone. I had given my first attempt at NEET PG in 2019. That was my attempt during my internship. And I ranked 28,655 in my first attempt. That time my internship was continuing and I did not get much time to study, but immediately after my internship, I came back to Kolkata and I joined DAM's regular course in Kolkata. And I had given the mid-year exams as well, but I didn't fare well in them. I had ranked 16,000 in May AIMS 2019, and which became 7,000 in November AIMS, yet not a good rank. My PGI November rank was 2,500 and my JIPMA November 2019 rank was 3,000. And I didn't expect such an improvement in NEET 2020. My All India rank in NEET 2020 was 2,599. In 2019, I did not hope to get medicine, which I really wished for. At that time, I was thinking that maybe I should pursue some other subject or not. But many of my friends and my family, they asked me to give myself another chance. So I had read DAMS notes of a senior during my internship and I started with DAMS. I thought DAMS will be a good choice and it turned out to be a very, very good decision of mine. I am very thankful to all the teachers, individually to every teacher who had given so much of effort in their classes. It's such long hours of classes. They made it so interesting. I studied the notes. I gave CBT 3 and 4, and my plan was every week I used to study the subject taught to me in the weekend and revise a subject which was taught to me previous week, sometimes too, so that I could complete my revisions by the time my session ended, because my session ended in September. I was March 2019 batch, and I gave the CTs, the class test, and I completed the DQBs of the topics, the subjects which were taught in that week. So it is. I'm really thankful to all the effort put in by DAMS team, by all the teachers. Thank you. My father would want to add some of his views.
Good morning, everybody. Actually, my daughter Tisa has joined this DAMS course in 2019, I believe, yes. And I think I have basically taken him to the coaching classes, which was happening in Calcutta. And I have personally seen the dedication and the passion of the teacher to bring the students up to the speed for the upcoming exams. That is actually awesome. The time they have devoted each day for around 12 hours, 14 hours as a teacher, single teacher, to manage so many students, and they have leveraged the technology extensively. That's the beauty of this course. So I have seen a lot of teachers in my career and in my college days and university days, but DAMS teachers are really unique to me, considering the effort they put in to bring the students up to the speed. And they are actually getting very irritated when the students are asking the questions, and they are actually dealing with the very bright students. So obviously they are also understanding that and putting all their effort to bring the best out of all the students. It is a very tough competition. I do agree, because I have spoken to a lot of parents. They have also same experience about the DAMS. So I can say only thank you, DAMS, from the deep of my heart. So good job, very good job, well done, and pursue this and bring more students up to the speed across the board across the depth and breadth of the country, so that the remote location students also can keep pace with the city location students who are always ahead of the others. Thank you, DAMS. Thanks a lot.